Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Civic wheel bearing. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a comprehensive socket set. Don't forget your new wheel bearing kit and a precise torque wrench. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective gloves and eye protection throughout this repair. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and secure working environment for everyone involved. Now, let's move on to carefully disassembling the wheel assembly. Begin by safely lifting your vehicle and securing it on jack stands, then remove the wheel. Next, unbolt and carefully hang the brake caliper assembly, avoiding strain on the brake line. After that, remove the brake rotor and loosen the large axle nut. Finally, you will need to separate the steering knuckle from the various suspension components, such as the tie rod end and lower ball joint, to gain full access. With the knuckle removed, it's time for the core task, replacing the bearing. You will need a specialized wheel bearing press tool to safely extract the old, worn-out bearing from the steering knuckle. Once the old bearing is out, take a moment to thoroughly clean the bore of the knuckle, ensuring no debris remains. Then, carefully position the new wheel bearing and use the press tool to install it smoothly and evenly into the knuckle, applying steady pressure. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reattach the steering knuckle to the suspension components, ensuring all bolts are torqued to the manufacturer's specifications. Reinstall the brake rotor, the caliper assembly, and then tighten the axle nut securely. Mount the wheel, carefully lower the vehicle, and double-check all connections. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times. Then, perform a short road test to confirm proper function and listen for any unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.